This is Microsoft's new Surface Laptop Studio. Here's a 360 of it. As you can see, it's got a 14.4 inch display. You've got two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports and a headphone jack, and then it also folds into a tent style like a Surface, and then it also goes all the way down into a tablet, but it's still a laptop. This is the other angle of the display going from laptop into tent mode. As you can see, it blocks the keyboard but not the touchpad, and then when you want to go full tablet mode, just drop it into that, and then it's very easy to pull it back up, and then you can pull it up again and you get back into a laptop. It's pretty easy. That does have a touch screen. This is the pen, magnetic, and then you've got another angle of that, and then you have the pen controlling. You can control the whiteboard with the pen, and you can also draw on it, which is really nice for taking notes. This has a 14.4 inch 120Hz display, as well as an NVIDIA GPU and Intel CPU. Starts at $1,600, and I have it as configured at $2,800, and it's available today.